Elves are magical creatures, and the elves of the North Pole, Santa Claus, are no exception. So we're going to add in some glitter on our elf's face. This will give kind of a little more of an enchanted flair. We're going to put this largely over the same areas where we had the blush. And it's going to be a very, very light effect. You're going to have a hard time kind of seeing it. But as soon as you basically, if you're up close with somebody with the glitter on their face, they're going to be sparkling. Their face is going to be sparkling. Now you can start applying this over the blushed area of the skin, but feel free to kind of go up and over that, like up onto the forehead. And it's a really, really quick light glaze. So whenever like they turn their face, you're going to catch lots of sparkles in the light. Now for this, I recommend kind of like liquid glitter. Again, ladies, you'll probably understand this from a lot of makeup stores that sell this just as a general cosmetic. They also will sell it at costume stores, though I'd probably recommend going to cosmetic stores because while both of them can be a ripoff, cosmetic stores are probably less likely to actually have bad deals on it, and you can probably get more worth for your money.